Hey everyone, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial, here at the Automate Show, learning about the new technology that's driving our industry forward. Now, I'm here with Z. He's the National Sales Manager at SANYO DENKI, and you guys have an incredible booth showcasing a lot of technology.
Thank you.
So tell us about the history of the company. You're almost a 100-year-old company,
right,
with an incredible heritage and history in this industry. How'd you guys get started?
We are an electronics automation company. We mainly service the factory automation market. We started as a manufacturer of generators and power supplies. Late 1950s, we made the first servo motors and the first stepper motors in Japan. And mid 1960s, we made the first cooling fan products.
That's
for
incredible.
Thermal control, yes.
So 100 years of history, you've had a lot of experience listening to what customers need and then making products around that. So today in 2026, what are the problems, what are the needs that customers are looking for when it comes to integrating new automation solutions into the production line?
The challenges our customer faces are to deal with supply chain, the geopolitical situations and so on, as well as the introduction of AI. Things are moving so much faster. So for us, we need to be much quicker in terms of our engineering, our development, our securing of materials. So those are the challenges that we're running around to solve. We have new products launching much quicker now, and we have our engineering design house, our technical center, now very frequently sends engineers to the US and globally to assist customer in product development. So that's what we do to improve the speed and quickness of our responses.
When you have an end-to-end solution, you're really building resiliency in that supply chain.
Absolutely.
But let's talk about the products now. You have some incredible demos, 6-axis robots, Cartesian systems, waterproof servo motors behind us as well. Walk us through, what are you showcasing here in terms of the products and solutions here at Automate?
So we are running everything on EtherCAT. Our latest generation control is 32-axis SanMotion C300 series. It has a removable I/O, and you can piggyback different I/O modules on the side of the control, and it's fully open on code assist systems. And we also show our new 2-axis servo amplifier. The 2-axis does regeneration, so if one axis is going up and down, the other axis can take advantages of the regen power from the first axis.
Oh, incredible.
And we are launching a 4-axis stepper driver. It's DC-based, it's also EtherCAT, and it has encoder feedback or open loop, so you have a choice. So we cover the whole range from regular stepping products at the more economical end, all the way up to servo products.
And that's what I wanted to dive into. So we're here at the Automate Show. It's heavily focused on robotics and automation. If you were to look at the people walking across the show floor, what are you most excited in their booth to show them?
I think mostly robotics. If you look at our booth today, you will see a lot of robotics products. We don't actually make the robot, but we want to enable the designers and the engineers to be able to make their own robots. So a lot of our controllers have kinematics already built in. Even at the very low level controllers we have, it has a 3-axis gantry systems. Our basic controllers have up to 8 axes. We go all the way up to 32 axes.
Awesome. Well, Z, I really appreciate the time. Thank you so much. Really beautiful demo, beautiful area.
Thank you.
And if you want to learn more about what the company is doing in the industry, bringing solutions to motors, servos, and drives for your applications where you want to integrate these solutions, I'll have some more information down below, as well as to their LinkedIn page where you can follow them along with more solutions in the future. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you.